How to bulk change product prices on Shopify. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our browser and go to Shopify. Once you've reached Shopify, log into your account and simply go to the product section once you've successfully logged in. So click on products. Now, as you can see, I have two available products in here. Just simply click on these two. Next, you will see this option here, bulk edit. Click on it and it will route you to this page. Now, under price, you can simply select shift arrow down and edit the price. So let's say, for example, 500 and simply save after doing so. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.